Money strikes fear into the heart of many. But why should it be this way? Why do we let something as fundamental as money to control us? Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of financial management, uncovering the secrets to saving, spending, and managing money wisely like never before. But before we begin, if you are enjoying our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our money making tips and tricks. Layer 1 is crucial. It's about building your safety net. Imagine this, you lose your job tomorrow. Scary, right? But what if you had 6 months worth of savings stashed away? Suddenly, the pink slip doesn't seem so daunting. Building an emergency fund is like giving yourself a financial parachute just in case life throws you a curveball. If you need assistance on how to track your spending, identify your needs, wants, and savings goals so that you can set yourself up for financial success, head over to propertyaskeko.com to book a free consultation. Now, on to layer 2, kicking debt to the curb. Debt can feel like an endless pit, but here is the truth bomb. You have the power to break free. It starts with a simple decision: no more debt. Let me share a personal story. I once found myself drowning in debt, but by prioritizing my financial goals and making strategic decisions, I reclaimed control of my financial destiny. And you can too. Let's tackle layer 3, investing in your future. As you accumulate surplus savings, it's essential to understand how to make your money work for you. But investing wisely requires knowledge and patience. Let's take a closer look. When I first started investing, I made some common mistakes, but through trial and error, I learned valuable lessons that paved the way for financial growth. Remember, every investment decision should align with your long-term goals. And finally, we reached the pinnacle. Layer 4, it's all about liberating your mindset. Financial freedom isn't just about numbers. It's about breaking free from the shackles of consumer culture. It's about realizing you are in control of your financial destiny, regardless of your current circumstances. Whether you are a high earner or living paycheck to paycheck, embracing financial sovereignty is key. But achieving financial independence goes way beyond dollars and cents. It's a mindset shift. Firstly, being financially literate is essential. Understanding concepts like compound interest can make a world of difference in your financial journey. Secondly, emotions play a significant role. It's crucial to maintain a reasonable approach and not let temporary setbacks derail your progress. Now, let's talk about the road ahead. The old road emphasized growth is good and more is better. It's about finding your balance, aligning your spending with your values, and living a fulfilled life without excess. Remember, financial success isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about achieving peace of mind and living authentically. There you have it, 4 layers to financial empowerment and a new roadmap for your journey ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with someone who could benefit from our insights. Together, we can redefine our relationship with money and pave way for a brighter financial future. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial destiny. Let's embark on this journey together towards a life of abundance and fulfillment. You've got this. Salute! Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.